Oh, you fucking slaves must have gotten really excited again. When I've told you millions of fucking times, you don't get excited. You don't get excited. But no, you guys see a little pump to 81,000, and here you go again. Mommy, Daddy, it's ISO 222 time. We're finally going to 589. Sorry. Some of us have been here for too long. Guess what? When I buy Bitcoin, you can kiss your moonshots goodbye. Because 2 days ago, I bought about $200 worth of Bitcoin. Do you think I expected that shit to go up? No. I knew that shit was gonna go down because it always goes down. What, you honestly thought, oh, here we go, the train's finally leaving the station? How fucking stupid do you guys have to be? Once again, they pump your little penis full of hope. They pump you up. Ooh, mommy, we're at 81,000. You put $1,000 in, 2,000, 10,000 because you think we're gonna go to 150,000. Finally, right after 10 years, finally, the moment is now. I'm gonna finally be rich. Then they use you for exit liquidity. What a surprise, guys. I say the same thing on every video I make. Sideways crab for all of 2026, but nobody believes CC. My Pokemon gains are going insane. They are absolutely going insane. Look at this. Meanwhile, while crypto isn't doing shit and you guys are getting liquidated, my my Lost Origin booster box is up 12%, up to $822. My Team Rocket's Mewtwo is almost up to $1,400, tag 10. My Pikachu EX 2023 World Championship Yokohama promo is up to $869. My Destined Rivals box, which I bought for $250 a year ago, is up to $641, up another 6%. My Groudon from Paradox Rift, which I bought for $300, is up to $580, guys. My Pikachu V from Lost Origin, which I bought for $175, is up to $508. Even if I sold it at 80%, I'd still be in a 3x profit. My Phantasmal Flames booster boxes are now combined worth over $900. I bought each one for like $200. My Japanese Charizard EX is up to $1,025. I bought that for $250, guys. I don't know what else to tell you. My Slowking Southern Islands Hollow promo is up to $915. I bought that for $400. My Togepi PSA 9 Southern Islands Hollow is still casually sitting at $710. I bought that for $350. Tell me more about why I should keep buying crypto. Why did I even buy crypto yesterday or 2 days ago? Why would I even bother putting $200 into Bitcoin? Well, because I know what they're going to do. I know what's going on here. They are waiting until the opportune moment to pump your shit, our shit, and we're nowhere near close. Every time I see the Fear and Greed Index go to 50, it's time for you guys to lose money. It's not time for you to put money in when we're at a 50 Fear and Greed Index. Now we're at 34. Now is a better time. As long as we are in single-digit Fear and Greed, 9, 8 to 35 Fear and Greed, those are good times to buy because they're not going to dump on you as hard. They can only dump on us so much before you literally just, literally it goes to zero and then there's no coming back from that. So they have to fluctuate in between safety boundaries, okay? They can't liquidate Sailor. I told you guys that. They can't. Remember, I told you guys that in the beginning of the year. The liquidation stopped at around 60,000. That's Sailor's entry level. He's part of the plan. He's part of the game. They're not going to liquidate Sailor. So if we went back down to those levels, you bet your ass that the fear and greed index is going to go back down to like a 10 or a 9. That is a great time to buy. Now, you guys can keep sitting here and just, oh, but CC, wait till they flip the switch. I could, just when you say that, I know you're a noob. You haven't been here that long. Me and some of the other guys here have been here for almost 9 years now. Okay? We've seen so many different shills, so many different people say so many different things. We've gone through the Christmas lawsuit with the SEC. We remember Jay Clayton when he stepped down and sued XRP. Then we bought XRP at 25 cents. And these people think we put $100,000, $1 million into XRP to where if it gets a 2% gain, I'm happy. You get a 2% gain on $1 million, you're making $20,000. You get a 20% gain on that, you're making $200,000. I don't have that much money. These people think that we put in $1 million. Most of us, and I know you guys didn't put in $1 million. Okay, we put in 5,000, 10,000. 15,000, 1,500, $10. So when we get a measly 2%, we don't care. I'm on Twitter here. I'm going to keep doing this. Here, House of XRP, this guy's actually on our team. He says what I'm thinking too. Instead of buying Binance Coin in 2018 for $5, you bought XRP for $3.50. Meanwhile, Binance Coin is almost at $700 today, while XRP is down 50% to $1.45. Keep listening to XRP influencers. This is what I've been saying for years. Okay? We've gone through the ISO 222. We've gone through the bearable guy, the Riddlers, the Extravad, the Castle and the bearable guy bear. And we've gone through the new financial and we've gone through the SWIFT, and we've gone through the cross-border payment system. We've gone through the Sarah Loomis. We've gone through the Trump crypto. US is going to be the crypto czar of the world. Bro, they are fucking us so hard. You can pretty much guarantee whatever they say, the opposite will happen. It's opposite day. I've been saying for this entire time, the whole year, even last year, 2026 is sideways crab forever. Think about it. Why would they want to pump your shit? Could you imagine XRP even going to $100? Do you know what that would do? I would sell everything. I would sell everything, and I would be happy. I would be happy. I would be so happy. But guess what? They're not going to give that to me. They're not even going to give me a $25 XRP. If $25 XRP happened, I would cash out most of my coins. And I wouldn't give a fuck about any of you at all. I wouldn't give a fuck. I would run away with my fat bags. But guess what? It's not going to happen. They're not going to give you the money that you want. 24 Hours Crypto 3 days ago says XRP is getting ready to print a historic God candle. Lock in. Nothing happened. Nothing fucking happened. The Modern Investor. This bull run is going to change lives in 2026. Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. Bitcoin Ratchy says things that won't happen in 2026. Bitcoin at 50K. S&P at 6K. MSTR at 120. Doubt it. I doubt it. I do think that's going to happen. We're not going to 300,000 this year. It's not going to happen. Bitcoin Teddy, 5 days ago, Bitcoin is going to 300,000. The chart says it all. Dude, these charts can go sideways forever. You could have cup and handles, sideways triangles, left squares, right hexagons. It doesn't matter. You can analyze it however you want. It can go sideways forever. Anybody who says, oh, I called this was going to happen, it doesn't matter. You could analyze it any way you want. They are going to pump it whenever they feel like it, or dump it whenever they feel like it. Rajat says Bitcoin only. Everything else is a distraction. Who the fuck do we believe? Because the XRP maxis the same thing. The Luna maxis say the same thing. The Sui maxis say the same thing. Everybody's wrong about everything. Who the fuck do we believe? World's highest IQ holder, Jung Hoon, we've talked about this guy before, predicts Bitcoin will reach 276,000 by May of 2026. Guys, it's the middle of May 2026 right now. Bitcoin is not at $276,000. We have 14 more days to go. It's not happening, but Yoon Hoon Kim says it will, but it won't. Does that mean I have the highest IQ in the world? I don't know. Maybe I do. That would be scary. Vivek Sen, Bitcoin is going to infinity. Yeah, infinitely sideways, motherfucker. Infinitely sideways. 5 days ago. Crypto Michael. These guys sprout out of nowhere. Crypto Claver. Crypto Jeb. BitBoy Crypto, who's fucking in jail right now. Bankman Max Friedman. Friedman Max Bankman. Dusty Crypto, Bearable Bull, Digital Suck Investor, Moon Suck Lambo. Guys, they've been saying the same shit for 9 years. And they're making money off their channels and shit. And you guys are sitting here pouring liquid into their accounts. Adam XRP 6 days ago. The XRP floodgates are about to open. No, nothing opened. No flood happened. No gates opened. Nothing happened. Nothing's gonna happen. Cobb, Alex Cobb, and I used to like this guy. 5 days, they must have like paid him off or something because he doesn't post anymore. 5 days ago, XRP is poised to pump the most from this. Nothing will happen. Nothing's gonna happen. At all. Anyway, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Let me know what you think because, I'm just going to keep coming on here and showing you guys the receipts of these shills and how you guys keep paying them. And, you guys are funding these shills. You guys watch their channels. You guys buy their merch. You guys buy more XRP. You guys buy more Bitcoin. Ethereum is still sitting at 2,200. The last big bull run for me was 2021 with the NFTs. ETH hit like $4,800. I cashed out. I made so much fucking money. Why would they do that again? Things are different now. Give me a like if you like what I'm saying, but I'm pretty sure I'm shadow banned into oblivion, so it doesn't really matter. Have a good day, guys. Peace.